Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, and today we have just received a brand new Fusion-A 600 stick. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and check out and show you what's inside. Slide it out of the box here. Lots of bubble wrap to keep it nice and protected. No shortage of product protection here. So first, inside, you'll of course find the stick, and then you're going to find your bolts for mounting and the extended warranty information where you can head to check out the instruction manual and also register your product for an extended warranty, as well as watch some videos on Feniex University. So here is this stick. Now, go over the mounting really quick. Just like all of the other Feniex products, there's a channel on the back, and included is a set of nuts and bolts. So what you would do is remove one of the end caps. I usually recommend doing the side without the wire. It just tends to be easier. If you open this side up, the wires pop out and it becomes a little bit of a, sometimes it can be difficult to get the wires back in. So open this side where there's no wires, and you just slide these bolts right here onto the back channel, and then attach your brackets or whatever you're going to be mounting this to and tighten it up. Now, if that rear mounting option doesn't work for you, there is of course always the option of mounting with the end cap, which we sell separately. We do have the bolts available, or you can pick them up at your hardware store. And that's the end cap mounting kit, and you can attach some brackets onto the end if you want to mount it that way. So, last but not least, let's go ahead and fire this up. You got black to black, red to red, and that's your power. So your mode 1 wire is going to be the brown wire. So this particular stick, the Fusion 600, has 36 LEDs, and of course, it's all amber. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.